That's what we do now, Bronco. And when he throws tantrums, we take them. And we play them back for him.
Hey, Max.
And we put them
Hey, Max.
on
You're on camera. You're on YouTube, Dillweed.
so everybody can see his hair.
Come on, Max. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears there, buddy-o. Who's the Kung Fu Panda?
See no bum fights here, okay? And please don't get your new shoes dirty. I know you love them so.
They look good on me?
Yeah, take the shoes. It's nice shoes.
My nice shoes?
Mm-hmm. All right. I warn you. Eat your Doritos. Ew, I smell it. Now take it.
Look at the bee. Oh, look at the bee.
I got it.
Daddy, how can you fix this?
I don't know.
The other side can't get out to be longer.
I don't want to see this movie.
Quit kicking it.
Do not try this at home.
No.
There's a problem on it.
Good man.
No! No!
I am hot. Show Daddy our Easter song. Here comes Poopy, Poopy Pits. Up and down the Poopy Pits. Poopity, poopity, poopy's on his way.